Good morning, students. Let us start our insurance corporate accounting classes. So we are doing life insurance. We are doing one more problem. This is a problem like all-in-one question. If we solve this question, the entire chapter we can finish off very easily. Okay. Now we can call this as a all-in-one question. So what this question is saying about page number F14, for the following particulars, prepare revenue account of Vishwanadham Insurance Company Limited as at 31st March 2004. So name of the company is given Vishwanadham Insurance Company, and they are asking you to prepare revenue account for the year 31st March 2004. So premium is given, first year premium, renewal premium, premium received, premium accepted. Okay, commission paid, first year premium. This is commission for first year. The commission we are giving on premium, first year premium, renewal premium, and commission on reinsurance accepted and ceded. Okay, next we are having here interim bonus paid to policyholders, interest and dividend gross we are having, claims by death, claims by maturity we are having, claims by death, reinsurance ceded we are having, claims by maturity ceded in reinsurance we are having, claims by death accepted in reinsurance. So we are having all this related to deaths. Okay, benefits paid, so annuities is there. So we'll see all this when we solve problem. Surrenders are there, salaries are there, rent and taxes is there, audit fees is given, law charges is given, life insurance fund is given, not required. Net liability is also there. We will see how to do net liability. Okay, net liability on life insurance is closing. From closing we have to deduct opening, and 10% we have to transfer to surplus to shareholders fund, and 10% we have to transfer to general reserve. Okay, and balance transfer to future appropriations. Very easy. So and this question is mostly focused on schedule number 1, schedule number 2, and schedule number 4. So this is very important. We can easily solve. This is called all-in-one question. If you solve this question, you can solve any question from this life insurance revenue account. Okay, so it's very easy. We'll solve this problem. So we'll write heading, page number 14, question number example 3. So heading will be, name of the firm is Vishwanadham Insurance Company. Okay, so we'll write revenue account for the year ended 31st March 2004. Okay, particulars, schedule number, amount. So first we'll write premium earned net. Okay, after that we'll write income from investments. Under that we'll write interest dividends, rent gross. Then we do total A. Okay, then we'll do write commission. This is number 1, schedule number 1. Then we'll write commission. Okay, this is schedule number 2. Then we are having operating expenses, schedule number 3. Then we are having total B. Then we'll write benefits paid, schedule number 4. After that we are having interim bonus paid. After that you write changes in valuation of liability against life policies. Okay, then we write total C. Then we write surplus, which is D, A minus B minus C. Then we write appropriations. Okay, then we write transfer to shareholders account. Next, transfer to general reserve. Okay, then the balance will be transferred to fund for future appropriations. Okay, easy. So this is a format which I have prepared. Now we have to solve the problem now, but for that we have to write working notes now. So workings will write. So first working will be of premium. So I have prepared working notes, premium 1, commission 2, operating expenses schedule number 3, and benefit schedule number 4. So we have to write one after the other. So first we are having here premium, first year premium we are having 6,10,000. So that we'll write under premium first year 6,10,000. Next we are having renewal premium. Renewal we are having 3,30,000. Okay. After that we are having premium reinsurance ceded. So ceded we have to deduct. Ceded. How much is ceded? 80,000 we have to deduct ceded. Plus accepted we have to add. How much is accepted? 60,000. Okay. Done. Next what we are having? We are having next, see it's very easy. Premium he has given at one place, so we will do premium at one place. First year premium we have written what, 6,10,000. Next we have written renewal premium 1,30,000, we have written 1,30,000. Next we are having premium on reinsurance ceded. Ceded means we have paid, that is deducted, and accepted means we have received, so write 60,000. Okay. Next we are having commission now. So commission, how much we are having? First commission paid on first year premium, second year renewal premium. So the commission is also we have paid for the collection of premium. So we'll write under commission here. First year premium, commission on first year premium. This premium the agent has collected 6,10,000. On that we have to give the agent's commission. I have explained in earlier videos. The insurance company, Vishwanathan Insurance Company, will not go to the life insured. Okay, so there will be some agents. The agents will go to the premium holders, policy holders. They'll get the premium amount from that policy holders, and they'll pay to the company. So the middleman for 6,10,000 they have to pay some commission. How much they are paying? 42,000. Okay, so like that agents we are paying. Then first renewal premium. How much renewal? 3,000. So for the collection we have to make money. To the agents we are paying these commissions. Next commission on reinsurance accepted, we have to add accepted. Add, how much is that accepted? 15,000. And ceded you have to deduct. Ceded, how much is ceded? 15,000. Right, 15,000. Oh sorry, accepted is how much? 15. Ceded is 4,000. Ceded is 4,000. Okay, it's very easy. Next after that we are having what? Interim bonus paid to policy holders. Interim bonus we paid. So you have to go to the format. In the format we have written interim bonus paid. Somewhere we have written interim bonus paid. In front of that you have to write how much is interim bonus paid? 22,000. So right here 22,000 interim bonus paid. After that we are having interest and rent. So we have received interest. So that we have written how much we have received interest, rent and gross, 2 lakh rupees written here. Okay. Next we are having net liability on life policies. So here we have written net liabilities. From closing you have to deduct opening. So closing is 31st March 2004, opening is 31st March 2003. So from 24 lakhs 50,000, sorry 24 lakhs you deduct 22 lakhs 50,000. 22 lakhs 50,000. Okay, you'll get 1 lakh 50,000. So you have to deduct, when you deduct from 24 lakhs 22,000 50,000, you get 1 lakh 50,000. You have to write here. Okay, now next we are having commission by death. Now death means what? You have to go to benefits paid. Claims by death. So you have to write here claims, right, by death. How much claims by death we are having? 2 lakhs. So write here 2 lakhs. Then we are having claims by maturity. How much? 2,30,000. Then you write by maturity 2,30,000. Next we are having claims by death, reinsurance, ceded in reinsurance. Reinsurance ceded means you have to add here. Reinsurance ceded, claims by death you have to add. So ceded is what? Sorry, ceded we have to deduct. Yes. Amount ceded in reinsurance. Amount ceded in reinsurance you have to deduct. So you have to write ceded. Ceded, what, how much we are having? Death we are having 2500. Maturity we are having 1500. So again you write by death by maturity. How much death we are having here? Ceded 15,000. So write 15,000. Then we are having what? By reinsurance accepted how much? 18,000. Wait. Ceded, yes. How much? 15. Let's ceded 18,000. Okay, we'll write 18,000. Then we are having again what? Accepted. See, accepted. Wait. Ceded is 25,000 and 15,000. 25 and 15,000. Okay. Next we are having here claims by maturity accepted reinsurance. So claims by death accepted the reinsurance. So accepted we have to write now. Accepted. So how much by death accepted? First is maturity. First is death 18,000, maturity 6,000. Death 18,000 and maturity we are having here 6,000. Okay, written. Next we are having annuities paid 35,000. So annuities again will come under benefits paid. Annuities 13,000. Next we are having, after annuities we are having surrenders 22,000. Surrenders 22,000. After that we are having salaries. So salaries will write under operating expenses. Salaries, how much salaries we are having here? 30,000. Right, 30,000 salaries. Then we are having rent rates and taxes. Rent rates and taxes, that we are having some 9,000. After that we are having law charges 6,000. That will also come under operating expenses. Law charges 6,000. Sorry, audit fees is 6, law is 4. Audit fees, we are having audit fees 6,000. Okay, so law charges also we have written 4,000. 6 is audit fees. Okay, law is 4,000. Okay, done. Okay, so we have written everything. Now ceded we have to deduct. We know ceded everywhere we are deducting ceded. So we'll do totals and we'll write in the format. So first we'll do premium 6,10,000 plus 1,30,000 minus 80 plus 60. So we're getting 7,20,000 as total of premium net. So you come here and write 7,20,000 as premium. Okay. Next we have what? Commission. So commission is how much? 42,000 plus 3,000, 15,000 and 4,000. Oh wait, 42,000 plus 3,000 plus 15,000 minus 4,000 we have to deduct. So we are getting 1,24,000. 42 plus 3,000 minus 4,000 plus 15,000 means 56,000 as commission. Easy. For 42,000 you add 3,000, then add 15 accepted, ceded 4,000, deduct, you get 56,000. So come and write in front of commission expenses 56,000. Next we have to close operating expenses. We'll close operating expenses also. 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 6 22,000. So we are getting 22,000 as our operating expenses. So we'll come to the format and we'll write in front of operating expenses as 22,000. Okay, next we are having what? Bonus paid is not there. We'll not write bonus paid. After that we have to close this benefits paid. So we'll close benefits paid. This we have to deduct. Okay, so we are having 2 lakhs plus 2,30,000 minus 25,000 minus 18,000 plus 18,000 plus 6,000 plus 13,000 plus 22,000. 4,46,000 as total of benefits paid. By maturity how much? There is a mistake. By maturity 15,000, 14,000, 40,000. Now we'll get 2 lakhs plus 2 lakh 30 minus 25 minus 15 plus 18 plus 6,000 plus 13,000 plus 22,000. In 4 lakh 40 57,000, 71,000 benefits paid. So this is small correction, and it is we are having 35,000, sorry, 35,000 we are having, and it is now we'll do now 2 lakhs plus 2 lakh 30 minus 25 minus 15 plus 18,000 plus 6,000 plus 35,000 plus 22,000. 4,71,000 as benefits paid total. So some correction mistakes, don't do in exam. So we are getting here benefits paid 4,71,000. Now we have to do totals now. Okay, now we'll write here 7,20,000 plus we do total plus 2 lakhs. We are getting 9,20,000 as total A. Then we have to add this 56 plus 22, 58, 78,000 total B. Then we have to add this 4,71,000 plus 22,000 plus 1,50,000. We're getting 6,43,000 total of total 6C, 6,43,000. Then surplus we have to find out. It's very easy. From 9,20,000 you deduct 9,20,000 minus 78,000 minus 6,43,000. Getting 1,99,000 as our 1,05,000 expenses, commission, operating expenses, and what more is there? 49,000. Operating how much? 30. Totals mistakes 30 plus 9,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000, 49,000. Corrections 49,000. This also will come on as 49,000. Okay, 49,000. Interim bonus is 22,000, and this is 49,000 operating expenses. So 49 plus 56, 1,05,000. Lots of mistakes. 1,05,000 is total of total B. So from 7,20,000 if you deduct 1,05,000 minus the total C is 6,43,000, you get 920 minus 1,05,000 minus 6,43,000, you get total as 1,72,000 as your surplus. 1,72,000 as your surplus. Now we have to transfer to general reserve 10% and surplus to shareholders 10%. So how much we are getting? We are getting 1,72,000 as our surplus, 1,72,000. So 10% we have to transfer. So 10% is saying to shareholders of 1,72,000. So we are getting 17,200 as here, and here also 10% of 1,72,000. So here also we get 72,200 as our $1,72,000. So from 1,72,000, if you deduct 17,200 minus 1,72,000 minus 17,200 minus 17,200, you get 1,37,600 as your transfer of funds to future appropriation. Transfer of funds to future appropriation, we are getting 1,37,600. Okay, so it's very easy. This is format. So format you should know. The workings is important. Seeded accepted is very important. See, everywhere seeded we have deducted. Here also seeded we have deducted. Here also we seeded we have deducted. Then seeded here also we deducted. Okay, either it is a premium or commission or for benefits paid, we have to do what? You have to deduct seeded, and what you have to add? Accepted, and accepted you have to add. It's so simple. Okay, so it's very easy. So I'll solve 2 more problems. I want you to solve one problem. Okay, wait, let me give one question to solve you. So solve this page number F24, question number 1. You have to solve this first question. So what he says in the first question is saying, from the following figures, prepare revenue account in the statement in a statutory form of Star Assurance Company Limited for the year ended 31st March 2004. So claims by death is given, claims by maturity is given, premium is given, consideration for annuities granted is given, annuities paid is given, expenses of management, that is operating, commission is given, interest, dividend, rent is given, income tax deducted source you write under income tax. Okay, we have written in a problem earlier video. See there we have tried to write under income tax. Surrenders is benefits paid, amount of this we don't take. Life insurance fund we don't want. So outstanding claim by at the beginning of the year and at the end of the year. Beginning of the year you deduct, you have to add at the end of the year. It's very easy, so simple. You can solve this problem. First one. Second also you can see. Prepare revenue account of Parekh Limited Assurance, Parekh Life Assurance Company Limited for the year ended 31st March 2004 from the following particulars. So claims by death we are having, claims by maturity we are having, first year premiums we are having, first year single and renewal. Then we are having transfer fees, that is income you have tried, consideration when it is granted you have tried income, and it is paid we know benefits paid by expenses of management operating, commission paid is also schedule number 2, interest dividend and rent we have tried under this, interest dividends and rent we have tried under schedule number 1. So surrenders is benefits paid, life insurance fund at the beginning of the year, do not consider, ignore this. So I want you to solve 1 and 2 problems. Answer is also there. If you want you can solve third one also. It's very easy. Okay, so I want you to this third one. So 1, 2 and 3 questions you do. Okay, rest of the problems I'll solve.